Good morning. We're here with Bravo technicians, Calvert Borland.
Javan Emmanuel.
We'll be doing the daily inspection on this QLR truck. We're going to start off with the light inspection, making sure the lenses are clear, they're securely mounted. Same with the front lights, making sure they're securely mounted. And these are okay. These ones are mounted, lenses are good. You're good over there. From here, Javan will be operating the lights. This side, all good. All good. Park lights, all good. Low beam, good. High beam, all good. All good with the hazards. So from the headlights, we're moving to the front right tire, checking pressure with the tire pressure gauge, making sure it's where it needs to be based on the manual recommendation. Javan will be now checking the tire for any wear, cracks, or deformations. All good. Thread depth seems okay based on the indicator marks. From here, he will be checking the wheel studs, making sure they're tightened with the placing one finger opposite the hammer, the inspection hammer, to feel any vibrations. Making sure the finger is opposite where he's tapping with the inspection hammer.
Perfect.
All good. We'll move on. From the front right tire, we're going to be checking the washer fluid reservoir, which is located on the side here. This has a sight that you can see the level. If you can't see it there, open it, use the inspection light and spot inside, and you should be able to see if it is full. If it is full, you're all okay, good to go. From here, we're going to be checking the coolant reservoir, making sure that it is up to level. It has a maximum level and a minimum level. Javan will be pointing it out, and this is reading a little bit below the maximum level, which is okay. So brakes, coolant reservoir is okay. Then he's gonna be checking the power steering reservoir. Remove the cap. Again, this reservoir has a maximum and a minimum level. This one is up at the maximum level. This one is okay. Replace the cap and move on to the fuel tank. Moving on, we'll be checking the fuel cap, make sure it's tightly secured. Checking the fuel tank, the entire tank, making sure it's secure. Checking all the hoses, making sure everything is okay. And in this case, everything checks out. This is okay. Moving on from the fuel tank, we'll be coming to the right rear tire, doing the same inspection as we did in the front. We'll be checking pressure, making sure it's at the appropriate rated pressure. Then we'll be checking for any cracks, deformation, thread depth, and making sure everything is okay. If that is okay, then we move on to checking the wheel nuts with the inspection hammer. So the tire checks out good. That is good. Okay. From here, we'll be moving on to the rear tail lights. We'll be inspecting them as in the front, making sure they're secure, making sure all the lenses are clear, free of water or any cracks. Checking, making sure that is okay, that is okay. Checking the spare tire. Javan will be checking the license plate light, making sure that is secure, spare tire secure. From here, we'll be do a test of the lights. We'll be checking the left signal light. That is working, good. Right signal light, that is also good. Parking light, that is good. Brake light, those are working as well. Reverse, those are working good. Give me the park one more time, Javan. And the park, for the license plate, you have to put your hand underneath to see the light. This one is working good. From here, we'll be checking the left rear tire, making sure it has the correct pressure. That is okay. We'll be checking tire for any cracks, deformation. That is okay. From here, Javan will inspect the wheel nuts with the inspection hammer. As you can see, those are all okay. So from here, we'll be moving on to the battery. These batteries are translucent. You can see it has an upper level and a lower level. It has electrolyte in it, a simple top with a light flashing on the side. You should be able to see the level, and this one is okay. From here, we'll lift off the cover, making sure that battery terminals are connected securely and there's no corrosion. So in the battery, we're all okay. From here, Javan will be inspecting the brake fluid reservoir. Like the other reservoirs, they have a maximum and a minimum level. Just need to remove the cap, which has directions on it, and you can inspect the level. Which in this case, this is okay. Remember to pull on back the cap. From here, Javan will be showing how to enter the truck. 3 points of contact, the handle up there, the footrest, and the steering wheel. From here, Javan will be pressing the brake pedal, making sure it has the correct resistance. How does it feel? Feels good. Good. From here, Javan will be actuating the park brake lever. It should have 6 to 8 clicks going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is good. So that park brake lever checks out. That's okay. From here, Javan will be showing us how to start the engine. Beforehand, you need to make sure the park brake is all the way up, between 6 to 8 clicks, making sure that the shifter is in neutral. From there, he will turn on the ignition switch on the on position, making sure that the glow plug light turns off, and the minute it turns off, he's able to start. Make sure that you can hear the engine. There's no abnormal noises coming from the engine. It's running smooth. It should be about 625 to 725 RPM on this truck, which it is at 700 RPM. This is okay. From here, Javan will be showing us the wipers in action, making sure they work throughout all the ranges, different speed ranges, and making sure the sprayers are working. So this is intermittent, that is working. That is low, that is working. This is medium, and he'll do the high, and that is working. Now the sprayers, those are working. We can see the wipers are wiping clear, no streaks, so those are good. He started the truck. We're gonna have him accelerate it slowly, gradually going up, making sure there's no noises, no abnormal noises coming from the engine, no knocking. Go ahead, Javan. So it accelerated good, no noise, no abnormal noises, no knocking. The engine is good. From here, we're going to be tilting the cab, making sure that we're going to check the oil and everything under the engine. Beforehand, you need to make sure everywhere is clear in the front. Nothing is obstructing the lifting of the cab. From here, we'll be releasing the cab locks. It has a safety here. You got to pull that, then release the lock by pulling it up. Then it has another safety here. You just pull the safety here and lift the cab up. Raise it up until you hear the click. It locks into place. From here, Javan will be checking the oil from the dipstick, pulling it out, wiping it off with a clean rag. on the first removal, putting it all the way back in, making sure that it goes all the way down so as to get a proper reading. When removing it, to check the oil level, keep it horizontal, and you can see the level where it says full. The oil should be there where it says full. If it's below that, you'll need to add oil. From here, we'll be checking the engine for any oil leaks, checking all the hoses, making sure everything is okay, there is no leaks. So that is okay. Javan will be checking the belts now, making sure that they don't move with a thumb push over 10 millimeters in movement. So those are okay. Checking the belts for cracks. No cracks, so that is okay as well. To close it, simply release the lock, pull down the stop, and bring down the. From there, the first security lock will be held in place, then you lock it in place. So that is how you do your daily inspection here at Bravo Motors. I am Calvert Borland.
I'm Javan Emmanuel.
Your friendly Bravo technicians. Isuzu, that the boss.